This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our adorable carved watermelon slice cake project. This sweet design is perfect for summer barbecues or pool parties. It's a great project for those looking to work on their carving skills, since it's an easy project with straight carved lines, making it great practice to help you build your skills and work towards more advanced designs. We use vibrant colors and simple techniques to make a cute, high-impact design with a fun graphic vibe. This cake can easily be customized by adding a fun anime face, or you can bump up your display by using the scrap cake to make your own cake pops. Follow along with the step-by-step videos to learn it all, from filling and frosting your cake, making colors, carving, and putting on all the finishing touches. This class can be bought as a standalone lesson, or you can get it as part of your yearly membership, where you'll get this project plus so much more while saving a bunch. For more information on yearly membership, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com to find out more about what it entails. Hey everyone, we wanted to tell you a little bit about what paid membership to our school includes. So you'll get 12 themed project classes, one that drops each month. You could buy them separately, but you'll save a bunch by going with the yearly membership. We also do a bunch of Instagram live classes that we record and post to the platform for our paid students so that they can watch at their convenience or rewatch anytime. We like to do a lot of little companion projects for our themed classes and also some seasonal content along with some simple techniques for our lives just to help bolster your basic decorating skills. We also have what we call our foundation vault videos that include basic recipes you'll need to decorate with and also some techniques and just great foundations of cake decorating. We also have some plans to include some bonus material that will be accessible for our yearly students only. So we hope you'll check it out, we hope you'll join us, and we hope you'll have lots of fun decorating.